নমস্কাৰ চ' এইটো হাইকোৰ্টৰ জুনিয়ৰ এডমিনিষ্ট্ৰেটিভ এছিষ্টেণ্টৰ এক্সাম পেপাৰ হয় 2023 মই আগৰ পাৰ্ট আপটো কুৱেশ্যন নম্বৰ 35লৈকে মানে ভিডিঅ' এটা আপলোড কৰিছিলোঁ আৰু আজি 36ৰ পৰা বাকী কুৱেশ্যনটো আলোচনা কৰিম চ' প্ৰথম কুৱেশ্যনটোলৈ যাওঁ কুৱেশ্যন নম্বৰ 36 ইয়াতে কৈছে যে in the following question each sentence is given three possible solution for the bold part ঠিক আছে if one of them A, B or C is better than the original sentence then they indicate your response on the answer sheet against the corresponding alphabet if none of the substitution improve the sentence indicate as your response on the answer sheet D no correction required so ইয়াতে গোটেই চাৰিটা অপশন দিছে so ইয়াতে বোল্ড লেটাৰ যোনটো দিছে আন্ডাৰলাইন কৰি so ইয়াৰে আমাৰ একদম সাবস্টিটিউট ওচৰা ওচৰে কোনটো মিনিং হয় হেতু আমাক বাছি উলিয়াব দিছে যদি তেনেকুৱা কোনো ধৰণৰ সেন্টেন্সৰ লগত মিল হোৱা নাই তেন্তে নো কাৰেকচন ৰিকোয়াৰ্ড বুলি আমি লিখিব পাৰো so প্ৰথম কোৱেশ্চনটো আছে all of us must try to consciously stop worrying about it so গতিকে এইটো গোটেইটো কাৰেক্ট আছে so no correction required ঠিক আছে question number 37 he generally reaches home by this time but the road may have blocked নহব the roads may be blocked হ'ব ঠিক আছে question number 38 I was so thrilling by his enchanting actions that I forgot to thank him was so thrilled by ঠিক আছে was so thrilled by thrilling নহব thrilled by হ'ব number 39 the visitors admired my paintings but they seemed to have disliking my sculptures seemed to have disliked হ'ব it is fortunate that he has been behaving well no correction required ঠিক আছে এটো কারেকশন আছে so ইয়াতে question number 41 fill in the number of the blanks in the following passage with the most suitable word from the choices provided use under the passage ঠিক আছে so question number 4 উপর যোনটো এটা blank দিছে এটা প্যারাগ্রাফ তার ভিতৰৰ পৰা 41 42 43 এনেকে যে দিছে মাজত কোনটো word to appropriate বহিব sentence or অনুযায়ী so in all compositions simplicity is the most depicted you should write in a simple and easy manner the choice of words should be easy sorry 43 number 2 straightforward hobo 44 number 2 easy hobo the choice of words should be easy try not to use grammar words merely because they are distinct do not allow poetic images or 47 number 2 hobo similes 48 number 2 hobo simple 49 number 2 hobo quotation aru 50 number 2 hobo distinct ঠিক আছে এতিয়া question number 51 লৈ যাও ইয়াতে জেনাৰেল নলেজৰ কোৱেশ্চনস আছে ঠিক আছে 50টা ইংলিশৰ কোৱেশ্চন দিয়া হৈছিল আৰু এতিয়া জেনাৰেল নলেজৰ কোৱেশ্চন লগতে কম্পিউটাৰৰ কোৱেশ্চন আছে 51 number for what sport the Webb Ellis Trophy is awarded rugby the term castling is associated with which sport chess dong is the currency of which country Vietnam the national anthem of which country is biladi 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 Egypt Sejm is the parliament of which country Poland services under the union and the states are dealt under which part of the constitution of India it is about 12 service and state partor kotha koise no so total 25 ta part ase amar 57 number question. By which Constitutional Amendment Act the 9th schedule was added in the Constitution of India? First, ঠিক আছে? 58 number. By which Constitutional Amendment Act the Dogri language along with 3 others were added in the 8th schedule to the Constitution of India? 92 Amendment Act. Nakki is a freshwater lake. It is situated in which state? Rajasthan. Which Mughal emperor is known as the Jindapir? Aurangzeb. Tharman Shanmugaratam is the present president of Singapore. 62 number. The incumbent Chief Justice of India, Honorable Justice D.Y. Chandrachud, will demit office. Etu hobo Justice Sanjeev Khanna. Who is expected to succeed him? Justice Sanjeev Khanna. So etu jihetu 24 or asile 2025 or 3 asile, so hetu time current affairs keta huda hoise. Who served as the first Chief Justice of Assam High Court? Justice T.B. Thadani. Who among the following bears the distinction of being the only non-lawyer and only officer of the Indian? Etu hobo Justice M.C. Mahajan. The popular quotation, "For fools rush in where angels fear to tread," is attributed to whom? Alexander Pope. MS Word is an example of an operating system. A computer cannot boot if it does not have the operating system. Formatting is the process of dividing the disk into tracks and sectors. Phishing are attempts by individuals to obtain confidential information from you by falsifying their identity. 70 number. The hardware device that converts digital information from your computer into analog signal that can transmit over wires and vice versa is modem. 71. Full form of BIOS is Basic Input Output System. Linux is not a storage device. 73 number. TCP full form hodise Transmission Control Protocol. 74. In Microsoft Word contains tool for 10 tasks like saving, printing, cutting, copying, pasting, etc. It was standing toolbar. How many KB is equal to 1 GB? 1024 into 1024. 76 number. Android is a mobile operating designed primarily for touch screen mobile devices such as smartphone or tablet. So which among the following আটাইতকে পুরোনো অ্যান্ড্রয়েড অপারেটিং সিস্টেম হয়? Cupcake. Which among the following is not a basic function of a computer? Copy text to basic function নহয়. Software যোনটো হেল্প কৰে কম্পিউটাৰ হাৰ্ডৱেৰ ৰান কৰাত, এটো হ'ল সিস্টেম সফটওয়্যার. 79. Which system is used by the digital computer to encode data in programs? Binary. In Microsoft Excel, the max function returns the largest value among the values passed and arguments. It a reasoning or aptitude or questions আছে. So মই only answers কেটা কৈ যাও, আপোনালোকে চাই লব ভিডিওটো পজ কৰি. 81 ৰ যোনটো আনসাৰ assertion দিছে population control measures. So ইয়াতে both A and B are true. মই এনে জাস্ট দেখাই আছো, আপোনালোকে পজ কৰি চাই লব কোৱেশ্চন. 82 নম্বৰটো চাই লব, মিসিং টার্ম দিয়া আছে, নেক্সট টার্মটো কি হ'ব? Question number 86. P and Q are brothers আৰু R and S are sisters হয়. The son of P is brother of S. Q is related to R as uncle. Easy আছে, ইমান টাফ নহয়. অলপ আপোনালোকে মনোযোগ দি যদি কোৱেশ্চনটো পঢ়ে নিজে উলিয়াব পাৰিব আনসাৰটো. So আজিৰ ভিডিওটো ইমানলে, আশা কৰিছো ভিডিওটো ভাল পাইছে. শ্বেয়াৰ কৰিব আৰু কিবা থাকিলে জনাব পুনৰ লগ পাম ধন্যবাদ